Oops. What the heck? Okay, we got a white one here. Pure white. This is John in Los Angeles. It's February 1st, 2020. I'm in Long Beach. It's about 3:20 in the afternoon. Look at this guy. That's a weird looking vehicle there. Yeah, some of these things look like models, like little plastic models, you know? They're like too perfect looking. Yeah, back up a little. The sky was really blue today, guys, and then these guys keep coming across the sky and ruining it. Of course, how rare. Oh, this is rough. Okay, I'm done with this wiener. Okay, I'm out.